Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the common causes. Sign in now and confirm your password works on accounts. Google.com. Check that cookies are enabled because Google needs them to keep you signed in. Update the browser or phone to the latest version, then clear cache and site data for Google domains so stale tokens are removed. Once done, sign out deliberately and sign back in. This forces a fresh session. Make sure you do this on the problem device first. Next, you dig into account security and app interactions. Go to Devices and Security, remove any unfamiliar or old sessions so tokens can't conflict. Check sync settings in Chrome or Android. Make sure only needed data types sync. Inspect app passwords and third-party access. Revoke anything old because leftover app credentials can sign you out. If an app uses outdated Google Play services, update or disable it. Once you tidy sessions and apps, sign in again to regenerate valid tokens and restore stable sync. Finally, secure and verify your account. Change your password and review recent activity to remove unauthorized access, then revoke access for untrusted apps so only valid tokens remain. Remove and re-add the Google account on the device, reboot and sign back in to confirm persistence. If the issue continues, check device time and date. Incorrect clocks can break authentication. As a last troubleshooting tip, try a different Wi-Fi or mobile network. Sometimes captive portals or proxies force signouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.